Hola, me llamo David. Estoy con mi amiga Estelle. Today we'll be talking a little bit about interrogatives. Let's start with the question words themselves. Que means what, adónde means to where, de dónde means of where, dónde means where, quién means who, quiénes means whom, a quién means to who, cuál means which, cuáles means which ones, cómo means how, por qué means why, cuánto means how much, cuántos how many, and cuándo when. Also, don't forget to add the accents, because without these, the words have completely different meanings. Next up are the symbols you use before and after question words. In English, we have a question mark after every question sentence. In Spanish, they have an inverted question mark that goes along with the regular question mark, except at the beginning of the sentence. And now for some example sentences. ¿Qué haces? What are you doing? ¿A dónde vas? Where are you going? ¿De dónde eres? Where are you from? ¿Dónde es tu casa? Where is your home? ¿Quién es tu maestro de español? Who is your Spanish teacher? ¿Quiénes son esos chicos? Who are those guys? ¿A quién buscas? Whom are you looking for? ¿Cuál es su nombre? What is your name? ¿Cuáles son tus amigos buenos? What are your good friends? ¿Cómo estás? How are you? ¿Por qué estudias español? Why study Spanish? ¿Cuánto dinero es el libro? How much money is the book? ¿Cuántas chicas hay en la clase? How many girls are in the class? ¿Cuándo vas a la biblioteca? When do you go to the library? Lastly, I'll teach you a little bit about intonation. Te gusta bailar means you like to dance, but when you say it with intonation, which sounds like Te gusta bailar, it asks, do you like to dance? Which is a question instead of a sentence. This also works the same way in English. Hope you learned something. Adios.